Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening AdMob and going straight to payments. Once there, make sure your payments profile is complete because Google blocks payouts without name, address, and tax details. Enter your legal name exactly as on your bank account, add an accurate mailing address, and submit required tax forms. Next, add a payment method now. Choose bank transfer or supported provider. And keep in mind, AdMob pays only after your balance reaches the $100 threshold and the monthly cycle closes. Once your profile is ready, add your bank account details precisely and choose that method for transfers. Make sure routing numbers and IBAN or SWIFT codes match. After you add the account, Google will send 2 tiny microdeposits. Once received, return to payments and enter the exact amounts to verify ownership. After verification, set that account as your primary method and check the payment schedule so you know when the next payout will process. This ensures funds route correctly on payday. You finish by confirming the payout status in payments. After the monthly close, Google moves from processing to sent, and finally to completed when your bank posts the funds. Once done, check your bank account and transaction reference. If payment is missing, first confirm there are no holds for tax, identity, or address verification, then reconfirm bank details and micro-deposit verification. If problems persist after those steps, contact Google Payments, support with transaction ID, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.